Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw royalties from AdRev by Sovrn, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw royalties from AdRev by Sovrn, start by logging into your AdRev account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you will see an overview of your earnings. Locate the Payments section in the main menu on the left side. Click on Payments to access your payment information. Review your current balance to ensure it meets the minimum withdrawal threshold. If you have enough balance, find the Withdraw button. Click on Withdraw to begin the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Choose between options such as direct bank transfer or PayPal. After selecting your payment method, enter the required details accordingly. Double-check the accuracy of the information provided. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that this amount does not exceed your current balance. Once you've entered the amount, click on Submit to proceed. A confirmation message will appear, summarizing your withdrawal request. Review this message carefully before finalizing your request. If everything looks correct, confirm your withdrawal. You will receive an email confirmation once your request has been processed. Be aware that it may take several business days for the funds to appear in your account. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section or contact AdRev support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.